Today we will discuss about the names of different fruits. Fruits A to Z, Part 2. Let's start. I for Indian gooseberry. INDIAN GOOSEBERRY. Indian gooseberry. J for jackfruit. 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 K for kiwi. 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 L for lemon. 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 M for mango. 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 N for nectarine. 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 O for orange. 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 P for pineapple. 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 Q for quince. 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 Yay! And that brings us to the end of this lesson. Now you know the names of so many different kinds of fruits. And for more such fun videos, be sure to check out the other videos on our channel. You can find the links available in the description box below. See you again tomorrow. Bye-bye for now. And if you like our videos, be sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.